Happy New Year happens if I click this mic. Gana. Hello, mic check. Narge ko to before magpa-Cebu trip, tapos hindi ko naman ginamit. My voice. This is my voice one day. It's fucking funny. I don't know if you get the joke. Hi guys, so today is January January 31, and yes, bukas is New Year. Voice keeps getting worse. Anong ceiling namin. New Year means bibili ako ng bagong journal that helps me with my thoughts. Why do I sound gay? Oh wait, anyways. So this Christmas, I got espresso machine ng galing kay Kuya. I'll try to learn latte art. Kita ko sa inyo yung espresso machine. As you can see, sineryoso ko talaga yung pagiging barista ko. Tukart ako ng other items na importante when making a coffee. Number 1 is coffee skin. Yeah. Birds in one stone kasi I'm planning to I will go back to the gym again. Helpful kasi ito if magka-cutting ako from 65 kilograms to 60 kilograms. So, I'm trying to maintain my weight as much as possible this holiday. Descal. So, descaler to ng espresso machine. Parang cleansing, kumbaga, sa machine. So, set na lang yung binili ko. This is the... Pak ba yun? Oh, no, wait. This is the distributor. So, this is the tamp spring kind of tamp. Bottomless portafilter 51mm DeLonghi. Kasi sabi ni Kuya, hindi mag-work yung generic na portafilter. Problem ko is how to steam my milk. Ang lala ng boses ko, man. Is my dog. Hot dog. So, if I press 1, low. Oh! Echo? What the fuck?
It's Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Year of flowers, baby!